there was such a violent earthquake that the foundations of the prison were shaken. Say shaken. At once, all the prison doors flew open and everyone's chains. Listen, when you praise God, not only your chains fall off, but everybody that's listening. I'm praising, and she said, everybody in the hospital can hear you. Some of us needed to hear it. They're beat up and they're praising just for them, Paul and his companion. But next thing you know, everybody's getting free. Can I make a quick side point? Notice that other prisoners who deserve to be there, other prisoners who were locked up, I'm sure most of them probably deserve to be there, at least a lot of them.